Hey guys, it's Amir here. Here's an update on where everything stands now on my Airbnb. It's a few days after Labor Day weekend, and initially Labor Day weekend was my goal to finish. Of course, if you saw my last video, I couldn't make that deadline, but delays happened, so now I'm aiming for next weekend, not this coming weekend, just because I've seen exactly how much I have left to do. And it is a decent amount of work, and I'm not here every day working on it, so it's gonna take me a little bit more than a week. But for the most part, everything is done. It's just a few final touches, and I'm buying a few more things to complete the look as well as the function. So I'm gonna start a walkthrough again on where I'm currently at and what's been done so far. Which is, since the last video, it's actually a lot. It's been a lot of cleaning up, tidying up, staging. I took the majority of the pictures I need to create my listings, so I'm gonna do that within the next day or two. And I'm gonna put the listing live with available dates about a month from now. This way I can start taking reservations, and once I'm completely finished and ready, then I'll open up any previous date. So this is the kitchen, which is finally completed. The new counters are here. It's a multicolor counter. It has a little bit of gray, brown, and a hint of blue in it. The backsplash is mostly gray. It's just a basic gray color. It wasn't meant to grab attention. It has a good amount of counter space. For the most part, guests don't really use the kitchen to cook that much, maybe to warm up food or something. Most of the cooking is usually on the grill, which is outside. It is nighttime now, so I'm not going to be able to get any videos of the outside, but I'll do that in the next video. Here's the coffee bar area with also some options for tea. I am going to reorganize this with some smaller containers, maybe some glass jars, but for now this is all I had. So I'm trying to make it work just for the pictures. I am going to add a few more decorative items in there, I just don't know what yet. So straight after the kitchen, I have the dining area, which was completed for a while. I added this mirror as well as this plant. It is a fake plant, but it looks very real. I'm thinking of getting a natural color basket weave planter just to go with some of the natural look I have going here. Plus the container it's in, it looks way too small for this plant, so regardless I need something bigger. The mirror was from Home Goods. It was about $120, and it gives a good reflection of the living room. So a larger one would be better, but they start getting a little bit too expensive, and I'm already over budget, so I'm trying to save where I can. Later on I can always sell this and get a bigger one, but having a bigger mirror here would make the whole space look larger, so I may consider that in the future. This is the living room, still not fully complete because I need to get a coffee table, and I still haven't decided on one, but this works for now as a placeholder. I have to get a coffee table, plus I need to get an end table for between these two chairs, and I'm thinking of maybe getting an end table or a larger table over here, but I'm not sure about that yet. I do need to get the coffee table and the side table here, and then that's gonna complete the look. Plus I'll have to get some accessory just to decorate the table that I ended up getting it. And this bar area, I need to get some wine glasses, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna fill this space up yet. I'll think about that, and hopefully by next week I can come up with something. TV needs to go up here, so let's go upstairs. So upstairs bathroom, this has been done for a while, so there's nothing new here. I am planning on painting these shelves maybe white before stocking towels and linen on them, just so it has a cleaner look. So the loft area is now finished. If you saw my last video about having a setback, this is the skylight that currently has a leak. So the roofing guy is coming next Tuesday to check this out, which is about 5 days away. So that means I can't take a reservation until then, which also gives me time to complete everything I need to. But I would have liked to not have to deal with this. Anyway, once that's fixed, up here is gonna officially be completed. Queen bed and a work desk. That's about all that can fit up here. I do think I'm gonna put an area rug down there, maybe a small one, so that when you step off the bed you have something warm for your feet. But that's about it, because the space is already small, so adding more stuff is gonna make it look even smaller, and right now I think it looks good. Okay, so here's the larger of the two rooms. Nothing new since the last video, but in case you didn't see that one, this is again almost completed. I still need to get another matching lamp like this one here, or if I can't find that, then I have to get two different but matching lamps, and then that's gonna complete this room. The TVs are up. This one is a 50-inch, I believe, and that's it. I stocked a few extra bedding in the closet, nothing much. It's like extra comfort and extra pillow of different firmness and a couple of hangers. So let's go to the smaller bedroom. So this room is completed. It's actually been completed for a while. I just changed around a few things, like I hung those vases up instead of putting them on the nightstand. I switched the two lamps and they were on opposite sides, and I hung the TV up. This is a 47-inch or a 45-inch. It's just slightly smaller than the other bedroom. Similar situation in the closet. Extra linens and pillows. And that's about it. So that's about it for now. And there really isn't that much more to do. It's just waiting for the roofing guy to fix the leak on the skylight. And I'm still waiting on the carpet for the dining table. That should be here in a couple of days. I'm hoping to finally get everything done by next weekend. So I should have the next video up by next weekend, doing a final walkthrough once everything is 100% completed. And from then on, I'll start doing video updates on how well it's doing and what goes into upkeeping an Airbnb, maybe weekly or monthly. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. And I'll try to make more of these videos as frequently as I can.